Hi, today we're going to show additional users how to complete the setup process for the Arlo account. Let's get started. First, download the Arlo Secure app and then select Create Account. Next, fill out the information and select Continue. On the dashboard, select the Profile Settings icon located in the upper left-hand corner. Select your name to access your account profile settings. Select Two-Step Verification. Next, you will need to tie a mobile number to the account. Select the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. Then select Add SMS Verification. Enter your mobile number and select Continue. You will be sent an authentication code via text message. Enter that code in the Arlo Secure app and select Continue. Once your account is created, confirm with the account holder that they have sent you an invitation request. Check your email for the invitation and select Get Started. You will be directed to use your phone's web browser to sign into your Arlo account. Select Sign In. Enter your email address and password. Select Login. You will be asked, Trust this browser? Select Trust. You will be taken back to the login page in your web browser. Close out the web browser and open the Arlo Secure app. On the dashboard, select the Location drop-down menu and select the location of the primary account holder. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.